La 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 la, la 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 la, Jacoby's World. La 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 la, la 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 la, Jacoby's World. Let's see this. See that? Ooh.
Now that's quiet, ain't it?
Think. Hey, what?
It's a new design.
That's.
It's a new design, they say, in the motor.
Mhm.
See the motor on the
Oh
side?
yeah. 110. That's cool. I'll push that down. Oops. You got your sensor that I'll put back down. Put back down, that's it. Yeah. 4, 5. It's got 6 panels. Watch this. That thing locks. It's cool. I'll put back up now just like this. Ooh. You can see the motor up there.
Yeah, they're up there working. Pretty quiet, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh, it locks back.
Don't make any noise at all.
Oh, that's a quiet motor. Let me test the sensor real quick. So when it goes down, it goes back up.
Yeah, something gets in the way.
Really, really cool. It's cool.